Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to scan documents on WhatsApp. WhatsApp now has a built-in document scanner feature, making it easier than ever to scan and share documents directly within the app, and here's how to use it. First, open a chat. Open the chat or group where you want to share the scanned document. Then click on the sharing menu, which looks like an attachment icon, or that is like a paper clip or a plus sign. Then select documents. Activate the camera. You will see a new scan option. Tap on it to activate your device camera. Now if you do not see the scan option, like in my case that option isn't there, you need to update your WhatsApp to the latest version. And if you still do not see it, it means that you just need to give it some time. Be patient. WhatsApp is just rolling out this feature to get to you soon. So the next thing you do is, if you have this feature, you can continue with these steps. You will see a new scan option. Tap on it to activate your device camera. Then you capture the document by positioning the document within the camera frame and taking a photo. So after capturing the document, you will see a preview. Adjust the margins as needed to ensure the content is captured accurately. Then once you're satisfied with the scan, tap the send button to share it with the recipient or to share with any other person. Now before you can do this, make sure you ensure good lighting and a stable surface for optimum scanning results. Then if you are scanning multi-page documents, you can capture each page individually and send them as a single document. The scanned document is saved in your device gallery for future reference. By following these steps, you can easily scan and share documents directly within WhatsApp, streamlining your workflow and eliminating the need for separate scanning apps. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.